In a pitch-black night on April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin sat alone inside Vostok 1. The smell of ozone lingered in the cramped capsule, a mix of cold metal and anticipation. A low hum reverberated through the spacecraft's hull, growing in intensity as the countdown progressed. Yuri, a young Soviet pilot from a tiny Russian village, had risen from humble beginnings to become part of an elite group. His calm demeanor had shone through during the grueling selection process. But as the rocket beneath him roared to life, transforming the still night into a deafening blur of sound and fear, even Yuri felt a trickle of doubt. As the craft screamed into the atmosphere, Yuri's mind flickered back to tales of the Gagarin family haunt, the spectre that his grandmother had always warned lurked in the shadows. Weightlessness settled in. With a deep breath, Yuri looked out the tiny window at Earth, a magnificent blue jewel against the velvet void. He couldn't shake the feeling, though, of unseen eyes upon him. "I see Earth, it is so beautiful," Yuri voiced to Mission Control, forcing enthusiasm through the gathering dread. Orbiting at unprecedented speeds, his moments in space flowed into a strange current. His instruments flickered, maybe a glitch, maybe the spectre. Suddenly, Yuri's heart skipped. A shadow moved across the small window, yet space was empty. Maybe tiredness. Perhaps the spectre had followed him this far. With trepidation, Yuri prepared for re-entry. Friction turned the capsule into a burning comet. At 7,000 meters, he ejected himself into the void and parachuted down. But as he descended, the eerie feeling came over him. The ghostly presence from the folklore kept Yuri company until his feet touched dense earth. Landing near a field, Yuri was greeted with familiar bewilderment. The farmer and her daughter gazed at the mysterious man in a bright orange suit. Years later, as his tale continued both in legends and reality, Yuri often wondered about that shadow in space.
Perhaps it wasn't merely his family lore, but the spectre, a guardian or an omen, forever tied to space as humanity's first traveler.